Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basic. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to download Amazon Music app on your PC. First, open up your browser. After opening your browser, you can see search bar on the top. Click on it and type in Amazon Music app. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. Here it is going to ask to choose your country. After choosing your country, click on continue. Here you can see two options if you want to download desktop app or you can listen on web without downloading it. Now click on download desktop app. Now it is going to lead you to another page. After that your download has been started. You can see here. After your download is completed, you can click here. Now click here. Now it is going to show a pop-up message like this. Click on open. Here your installation is started. Here you have successfully downloaded Amazon Music app on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.